Hi, my name's Sophie. I'm going to show you how to make a cinnamon hat. This is a historical riding hat which would perch on the head, so it's not a realistic head circumference. So first thing I'm going to do is to create a pattern out of cardboard just for the brim initially. It's always going to be symmetrical either sides. Everything that you make in fashion and costume, you make a twirl. So often when you're working flat on paper, you don't necessarily know how the finished 3D piece would join together effectively. If you've got any lumped bumps that shouldn't be there, you get to really work into it to make those changes before you work on your top fabric. Okay, now we get to move on to the body of the hat. So we need to use the tape measure to measure all the way around the circumference of the inside. My measurement to use will be based on that. Okay, so this would be our centre front, a side, the other side, and then both ends are centre backs. There you go. So at the side seam, we're going to raise it to get the shape of the brim to sit right on the head. So you've got a slightly different shape on the base. Okay. Just use a bit of masking tape to get the centre back seam to meet. So meeting up the centre back. Same, lining up the centre front. And at the sides where it's got the dip now, you need to press it in. From this point we can edit and manipulate the shape of both the body and the brim. Okay, so initially we've changed it from being boxy, and so it's slanting in at the front. So it's like a mock-up. And once you've taken it off, you see the shape that you've got, and you want to put that onto a flat piece, and you've got your finished shape. So you've got your pattern for the brim, and you've got a pattern for the body. Two pieces to cut around with the body of the fabric for our cinnamon hat.